Hello everybody!
Hello!
It's Chrissy and Sylvie from Krikreativ from Germany. Okay. And we just wanted to say thank you today to all our international followers, viewers and subscribers. And as well, we wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Yeah. Now it's 3 years ago that we started to make the videos and tutorials of our channel, and we have not thought that so many people who watch our videos and
like them and support us. And it's very nice to see that all over the world you watch us, and
we don't have professional equipment and made the videos with our smartphone and at home and Power Director app where we cut the films, and
we are very grateful that you like it. And our English is not perfect. Maybe the subtitles aren't always right or perfect. We're very sorry for that, but we give our best. And if there's anything you don't understand, please let us know, or how we can
make it
describe
better
it in a better way. Just let us know. But we hope you keep watching in the new year. So we hope you have a very Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
Whatever you are celebrating,
and wherever you
are in the world.
Okay.
Bon Natale,
Feliz Navidad,
Joyeux Noël. So thank you again for your support, your likes, your comments, and yes, Happy Christmas
and a Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Bye.